Hello and welcome to this daily video. My name is David Oisamoje. Thanks for joining me. If you're just watching me for the first time, my channel is all about creating designs that sell, designs for match, design for print on demand, any print on demand site. I base my channel around creating designs that sell, designs that gives you inspiration, designs you want to look at and have ideas for your own design. That's what my channel is about. But why I'm making this video is quite simple. A lot of you in the comment section always ask me to give you guys Redbubble tips and all. And yes, I have some videos. I have a playlist. Let me show you now. I have a playlist. I'm going to show you something really amazing at the end. I'm going to show you a channel with my very good friend. That guy is amazing. He will give you any information you want about Redbubble, how to make passive income from Redbubble. He makes serious money on Redbubble every single month from Redbubble, from Teepublic, from Teespring. He is the man, he's the king. I rank him the king, I call him the emperor. So I'm going to show you that in the end. So I'll advise you watch it to the very end. But talking about Redbubble, I have some Redbubble tips you might want to watch. If you go to my playlist, you see this one Redbubble tutorial, Redbubble tips and trick. That's one playlist I have. You can check that out. It's super easy. So if we go back to my videos, like let me just clarify on some things before I show you the channel you want to follow. I'll advise every one of my followers to follow that channel if you're serious about print on demand. I make these designs. It gives the tips, it gives the tags, it gives everything you want about print on demand, how to make sales on print on demand. Is the channel you want to subscribe to, is the channel you want to, and release video almost every day. So if you are serious, then I'll advise you to focus on that channel. So as you can see, this is my channel about print on demand, about designs and all. So I advise you to always come back, watch these videos if you want to learn how to make designs that sell and all. So I won't want to bore you with all those information. I just want to go straight right into his channel. So the channel I'm talking about is called The Money Game. Yes, as you can see from the name, The Money Game. The link is going to be in the description so that you don't miss any of that. If you don't want to search on Google for it, I'm going to drop his link in the description. He actually has a print on demand course. If you want to check that out, you can check that out. But this is his channel, The Money Game. Currently has 1,700 subscribers. So he's a super amazing person. His videos are super amazing. As you can see, this is just one just created a day ago, so you can check that out for yourself. But I advise you to subscribe if you've not subscribed. As you can see, I'm subscribed to his channel. And these are his videos. Let me go through his videos. His videos are super easy to follow. As you can see, super easy to follow videos. I'll just scroll so that you can see it. As you can see, top 5 Redbubble tips for selling, top 5 Redbubble best-selling design styles. So you can have these design styles and you can check my channel. If I've made a video around one of these designs, you can just watch those videos so that you learn how to do it yourself. It's that simple. Redbubble earnings, TeePublic, Etsy, how to find safe tags, 5 future niche in Redbubble. He's super good at it. He makes amazing videos about Redbubble. So you can watch his channel, subscribe to his channel. He has super amazing tips. You enjoy his channel. He has you can just stick on his channel a whole day and you are guaranteed to make sale. I'm sure of that. I'm super sure of that. So with that said, I'll just say go to his channel, subscribe to his channel, watch his videos, and you'll surely love his videos. And if you've watched all those videos and you want to come back to learn t-shirt design, then you are free to come back. But with that said, to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist so that you don't miss out on my upcoming design tutorials, designs that sell tutorial for Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, Society 6, and every other print on demand site. I create designs for t-shirts, stickers, and any other thing you think of, as long as it's readily available on this print on demand site. As long as the product is readily available, I make design for that. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch the playlist, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe, stay blessed.